prepared 3 boiling tubes of oxygen. We have some of them here. Hannah's holding one for me. And we're going to test, carry out a couple of tests on our oxygen. First one we're going to see is to show is oxygen needed for combustion. So we're lighting a glowing splint here, lighting a splint. We're just going to quench it so it's glowing. Now we're going to hold it towards the lid of this and just see will it actually relight. Okay, now that wasn't very successful there. We'll try another one. That might have been our first tube here. That might have been mainly air. So we'll try our next one. I'll try not to hold it at the edge. Again, just a glowing splint. We'll hold it at the, now see if there it's actually a relit that time. So that was good, okay? So oxygen is needed for something to combust. Okay, so it'll relight a glowing splint. So second time round it worked first, that's good. Now, that's our first test. Now, our second test is we're going to show what happens if you burn magnesium, which is this metal here, in air. Now, when we burn it in air, we should see, hopefully, a very, very bright flame. Now, I might need to clean off this magnesium again a bit. There might be a bit of a varnish on it. And what we should get also, and I think I can see that forming, is a white powder, which is magnesium oxide. So I'm just trying to clean the varnish off it. Now, you can see the so we won't look at it directly. Now, and we've got a little white powder formed here. Is that we're recording this.
Premature ejaculation.
Okay, so we can see the white colour there. Now I have some water here. Okay. Now we want to just see if it's an acidic or if it's a basic oxide. So I have some red litmus and some blue litmus, and we're just going to see what effect it has on the litmus. Okay. Now red litmus, we'll have a look, and our blue litmus. Okay, now magnesium oxide is a basic oxide, and we can see here it had no effect on the blue litmus. The blue litmus stayed the same, but the red litmus went blue. Okay, and that shows us that it is in fact a basic oxide. And magnesium metals are used in fireworks and a lot of different ones for different colours. Okay, so the bright light there, I suppose you just want to be careful that we don't look at it directly. Okay, so there are 2 of our tests on oxygen.